Hi, welcome back to Genesis Custom Sabers. I'm on an ongoing quest to update my sound fonts for Crystal Focus version 10 by Plecter Labs and Smooth Swing. Next up, Spitfire. This is a sound font I developed a little while ago to kind of envision a light side unstable or fractured crystal blade. So kind of like a counterpart to the Kylo Ren sounds. With Smooth Swing, however you move the blade, that's how the saber sounds. Really cool and dynamic. You've got blaster blocks, lock-up sounds, Easter egg sounds, some droid sound fonts back in there. You, of course, can disable those. Different power on sounds, depending on how you orient the saber. Of course, you've got all the clash sounds. Whole bunch of them. It's a really fun sound font to play with, especially with an unstable blade like this. If you've got a NeoPixel setup. It's backward compatible to work with all the other Plecter Labs sound cards, and it'll also work on other sound cards that are not Plecter Labs. You may just need to rename some of the sound files or something like that. I hope it's perfect for your saber project. Thanks again for watching.